good, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And today, as you can see, we have the Flight Club Air Jordan 4s. Now, before we get started, of course, I want to say Happy New Year to everybody. It's 2026. It's a new year, and we're starting off with a banger, in my opinion. I know it's kind of slept on right now, but I think people might come back and try to get these. So before we get into the video, definitely want to go up on the channel this year. My goal for the YouTube channel this year is to get 10K subscribers by December 31st. And I believe that if you believe it, you can achieve it. So make sure y'all keep sharing the channel. Make sure y'all keep following us. If you follow us on Instagram, let me know that you're from the channel. It's 3_shoe_room, and then it's the Maverick, THEE Maverick. All right. Also, we have some videos on our channel right now. Our last 3 videos was the Bugs Bunny 8s. That video went crazy. Also have the Wolf Grey 5s, which is dropping next month. That video went crazy as well. And then we have the Nego Air Force 3. Make sure y'all go watch those videos if you haven't already. Also, we are going to the Sneaker Politics event. They're releasing a Saucony, however y'all say it. They're releasing a Saucony shoe on Friday. So we will be going to that event. We will be recording and showing y'all how it goes. I think they'll have like some food, some games. You'll get a chance to buy the shoe. And yeah, let's get into the review. All right, so this is the box. Again, these are the Flight Club 4s. Also, this is a grade school shoe. I'm going to show y'all the size 7. I'll show y'all the size tag. This is a grade school shoe. I'm not sure of the differences of a men's pair. I haven't been able to get a men's pair just yet, but this is a grade school shoe. We're going over those details. Because I know y'all going to be in the comments talking about, this is fake, this is fake. It's not fake. It's a grade school shoe. All right. Starting off with the top, we have this see-through Jumpman. This is the back of it. I like the box already. We have this imagery of Jordan. We got some ones on here. Got some pictures of him as well. And then we have it also on the paper. They do come double wrapped. So it's going to come with this and this. I definitely already said that these are a banger, and in my opinion, they are. As you can see, we have this off-white sail premium leather. We have black eyelets, white laces. They also come with a lace swap. Oh, let me try to get it out. This is yellow. Make sure that there's no other. All right, y'all. So, correction. They do come. The grade school also comes with the yellow and the pink as well. It's in the same box, so I definitely didn't see that. And then we have this netting, which is also a sail off-white netting. It gives kind of like a vintage look on the shoe, which I really like. And I think that goes well with like the history of Flight Club. It started in like the late 80s, early 90s. And before like the internet and social media was a big thing, they sent out newspapers, posters, and just Jordan content in general to the fans of Jordan. So that's how Flight Club started. Now it's a store. Now they post articles on the internet and so on and so forth. All right. This also is the tongue. On the tongue, it says Air Jordan Flight Club, and it has a red Jumpman. On the back, we have Nike Air. Then, like, if you can kind of see, like, on the sides of it, it's red, so it's black, and then on the side, you can kind of see, like, a red hue, which I do like. This is the bottom of the shoe. Got a Jumpman on the bottom as well. Then on the inside of the shoe has the same imagery on the box, which I do like. Yeah, those are the... Also, the near the toe box is a different material. It has like some embroidering, and then it's just like a rougher texture. And then this is the midsole, matte black midsole, air pocket. Pretty solid shoe. It's the back of the tongue. I'm gonna go ahead and take the insoles out because I'm not sure if y'all got a good look. Also, I do want to add that I know for sure for the men, they do come with more than one lace swap. They come with pink and then they come yellow. So white, pink, yellow. This is the inside. That shoe smells so good. It's the inside. So matches the box. I really like this shoe. I'm not a big fan of, I just feel like all the colors just be red, black, and white. So y'all already know how I feel about that. But I think this is a dope shoe. Like, I think the quality is good. I don't see many imperfections. But these do come out January 17th. This starts off the new year, and I think this is a great start. Like I said, this will be slept on. It's going to be widely available. So the retail for men is $220, and then grade school $165. So this pretty much wraps up the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Again, thank y'all for watching. If you watched this far, drop a 23 in the comments.
When you beat the body in the studio, they say my style is original. I'm getting money